very simple things to treat acne. If you are somebody who's acne prone, try using a face wash that will unclog your pores, because unclogging your pores is important. Once in a while, use an exfoliant. Third thing, if you're using any skincare products, moisturizers, sunscreens, makeup products, be careful that they don't end up blocking your pores from the outside, especially moisturizers. So make sure you look for the word non-comedogenic. It is our way of telling you that this moisturizer, no matter how much you apply on the face, will not give you acne. So you've got a good face wash, you've got a good moisturizer, you get a sunscreen on the same lines and you're sorted. The chances of you getting acne come down significantly. Bioderma has a great range for acne. Sebium Gel Mousse, which is a really nice face wash for acne prone skin. We have the Bioderma Hydra, Sebium Hydra, which is a good moisturizer for acne prone skin. The micellar water range, I don't know if any of you have used it. It is by far one of the best makeup removers in the world. The Sebium H2O. So this is more for acne prone skin, but it is an amazing product to remove your makeup if you're someone who removes makeup when you go to sleep in the night.